Hi lovelies, welcome back to my channel. My name is Dimma. If you are new here, you are welcome. Please don't forget to hit the subscribe button. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how I made this mouth-watering delicious spaghetti in less than 20 minutes. Sit back, relax and enjoy this video. Let's quickly run through our recipe. We have our fresh tomatoes, red bonnet pepper. In here we have our onions, spring onions and carrots. I'll be using beef as my protein. You can use any other protein you want. For my pasta, I'll be using my kwabo pasta. You can see it in Nigeria, especially for those of us in Abuja. You can just check around for it. In here I have my seasonings: curry, salt, spice and seasoning cubes. I've already washed my meat, so I'm going to go ahead and spice it up with all my seasonings: curry, seasoning cubes, spice, onions. Just spice your protein up the way you want it so that it will have a good taste. So I'm going to give it a quick stir and add a little water, stir it again, cover it up for it to cook for about 20 minutes. While my protein is on fire, I'll go ahead and blend my tomatoes, pepper, onions, spring onions. I don't want my tomatoes to be smoothly blended. I still want to be seeing the roughness of the tomatoes in there. So I'm going to go ahead and put it on fire to reduce the water a bit before frying my tomatoes. It's about 20 minutes now. Let's check on our meat. At this point, my meat is already done, so I'm going to separate the meat from the meat stock. This is my meat stock sitting pretty well here. It's time to prep my pasta. I already put water on fire for it to boil, so I'm going to go ahead and break my pasta inside the water. It's very fine if you don't want to break your pasta into smaller bits. Some people like their pasta long. I'm just going to leave the pasta inside the hot water for just 2 minutes. You can also prep your pasta by breaking your pasta into smaller bits, put it inside a bowl, then introduce hot water to it. Okay, so it's just 2 minutes now. We'll have to bring down the pasta so it won't come out sticky. I'm going to go ahead and wash the pasta now and keep it aside for it to drain. The water in the tomatoes has dried drastically, so I'm going to put it down now. Let's fry our meat first before we make the tomato base for the jollof spaghetti, because I will be using the same oil for my tomato base. So I'll go ahead and add my chopped onions into the already heated oil and then my protein. You just have to keep stirring until your beef turns to golden brown. Once it turns to golden brown, you bring it out from the oil. Remember, we are still using this same oil for the tomato base, so I'll go ahead and remove all the burnt onions before adding my tomato paste. If you've watched to this moment, please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe if you've not subscribed. You can also help me share out this video. I'm just making this pasta with what I have available in my house, so you don't have to break a bank before you make a delicious pasta. Jollof pasta is one of the easiest meals to prepare. You can have it for breakfast, lunch or dinner. It doesn't have a specific time to have it. So now we are still frying our tomato base for the jollof pasta. So you just have to keep frying till you notice a change in color. So I'm going to go ahead and add up my seasoning cubes to give my tomato base a good taste. I don't want my tomatoes to get burnt. That's why you see me stirring it almost every 2 minutes. At this point, I think I'm satisfied with the color I'm seeing and also with the taste. You have to taste to make sure it does not have that raw tomato taste anymore. So I'm going to go ahead and transfer it into a neat bowl, but I'll be remaining a little quantity inside the pot so I can use it and fry my veggies. This is my carrot neatly washed and chopped, and also my spring onions. So I'll be adding in my veggies in here and stir fry it for just 2 minutes. I don't want it to be soft. If you've watched up to this moment, kindly give this video a thumbs up and also subscribe if you've not. Thank you. While stir frying your vegetables, you don't need to add up any seasonings because the little tomato base in the pot was already spiced, so it will help give your veggies a good taste. So I'm going to add back my tomato base into my pot, add a little water, then add my meat stock to it, stir it. You can spice it up if you still want to spice it up. So for me, I will still spice mine up to give it a very good taste. Then cover it up for it to cook for about 2 minutes before adding my pasta. I already washed my pasta properly and left it in a sieve for the water to drain out. It's time for our pasta to go in. So I'll be adding the pasta bit by bit in case they are sticked together so that it can separate. Remember, while making your tomato base for your jollof pasta, you don't need to add a lot of water so that your pasta won't come out sticky. After adding my spaghetti into the pot, I'm going to go ahead and stir it till the sauce goes round the spaghetti. This spaghetti is for family of 3. That's why I made much like this. We're almost done, guys. So you keep stirring till your sauce goes round the spaghetti. Kindly let me know if you love pasta like I do, because I'm a pasta lover. I had to top up the sauce to get a brighter color. Lastly, I'll be adding my veggies, and then my jollof spaghetti is ready. This spaghetti is looking so yummy. It tastes so good. If you enjoyed watching this video, don't forget to give it a massive thumbs up and turn on your post notification bell so that anytime I post a video you won't miss it. Thank you very much for watching. See you on my next video.